Here's an example of a dirty condensing unit or a dirty outdoor unit. The unit that sits outside. See, look at there. Spider webs all over the place. The inside of those little fins are dirty. The top of it is just horrible. Yeah, you know this thing is dirty on the inside. If you look at the top and it's looking like that. Spider webs up in there. Then, if you pop open the top, probably ain't gonna look no better. Take a look. Look down in there. Whoa. It can't even drain. You got drain ports down there. It's got a drain out. You can't drain nothing through there. Spider webs up in there. Build a nest. And you don't know what's up in there. Get your professional cleaner. Come over there and clean it. And then make that thing shine up. And it'll run better for you. This is what I make it look like. Nice. Look at that. Fresh and clean. No spider webs. Thing almost look brand new. They can all look like that if you just clean it up properly. This thing is ready to rock and roll. Cool the house down. Hey, that's how you clean a coil. All right then. Peace.